Over 90% of the people watching here could not able to solve this problem. Problem looks scary, but there is a clever trick to solve this problem. Do you know how to solve equations when the powers keep changing? Today we'll solve one such tricky looking exponential problem in the easiest possible way. Our question is 8 power x plus 1 minus 8 power x minus 1 is equal to 252. Our job is to find the value of x. The exponential in the equation is in the form of e power m plus n, which is equal to e power m into e power n. So we can write it as 8 power x into 8 power 1 minus 8 power x into 8 power minus 1 is equal to 252. 8 power minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 8. Rearranging, and we can write it as 8 power x into 8 power 1 minus 8 power x by 8 is equal to 252. Take 8 power x common, then we get as 8 power x into 8 minus 1 by 8 is equal to 252. Take LCM, then we get as 8 power x into 63 by 8 is equal to 252. Then 8 power x is equal to 252 into 8 by 63. 252 will be cancelled by 63 by 4. Then 8 power x is equal to 32. 8 we can write it as to power 3. It is in the form of e power b whole power c is equal to e power bc. 2 power 3x is equal to 32. 32 we can write it as 2 power 5. So 3x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 by 3. So now we have got the x value. So let's verify the equation by putting the x value as 5 by 3. That is 8 power 5 by 3 plus 1 minus 8 power 5 by 3 minus 1 equals 252. By taking LCM, get us 8 power 8 by 3 minus 8 power 2 by 3 is equal to 252. We can write it as 8 cube root whole power 8 minus 8 cube root whole root power 2. 8 we can write 2 power 3. So we get as 2 power 8 minus 2 power 2 is equal to 252. So we get as 256 minus 4 is equal to 252. Then 252 is equal to 252. So we got the LHS is equal to RHS. So the final answer is 5 by 3. This problem shows how a tough-looking exponential equation becomes very easy if you know the right steps. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.